Today, we are here again with Microlearning Witham to continue our journey of understanding how the human body and brain truly work. In our last session, we explored some fascinating insights, and now let's dive even deeper. Today, we'll answer one more powerful question that reveals the hidden intelligence within us. What happens to your body during extreme stress or fear? Let's explore them one by one, in a simple, visual, and powerful way. Stay with Microlearning Witham, where learning becomes easy and exciting. Questions 8. What happens to the body during extreme stress or fear? When the body experiences extreme stress or fear, it undergoes a cascade of rapid physiological and biochemical changes primarily driven by the fight or flight response. Here's what happens step by step. 1. Activation of the amygdala brain center for fear. The amygdala detects the threat and sends a distress signal to the hypothalamus, triggering the stress response. This part of the brain evaluates emotional significance and initiates the proper reaction. 2. Sympathetic nervous system response. The hypothalamus activates the sympathetic nervous system. This causes the adrenal medulla to release adrenaline epinephrine into the bloodstream. Effects of adrenaline: increased heart rate, dilated airways. Heightened alertness, redirected blood flow to muscles. Pupils dilate. 3. HPA axis activation hormonal response. A bit slower than the adrenaline response. The hypothalamic pituitary adrenal HPA axis is activated. Hypothalamus releases CRH, corticotropin releasing hormone. Pituitary releases ACTH, adrenocorticotropic hormone. Adrenal cortex releases cortisol. Cortisol effects: increases blood sugar glucose for energy. Suppresses non-essential functions like digestion, growth, and immune response. 4. Cellular communication during stress. Cells communicate in several key ways during extreme stress. A hormonal signaling. Hormones like adrenaline and cortisol travel through the bloodstream. They bind to receptors on target cells, triggering a response like energy release or immune suppression. B. Neural signaling. Neurons transmit electrical signals rapidly. Neurotransmitters like norepinephrine are released at synapses to relay stress signals. C. Cytokine signaling. Stress can also affect immune signaling. Cells release cytokines, which are proteins that help regulate immune responses and inflammation. D. Second messenger systems. When hormones bind to receptors on the cell surface, they often trigger second messengers inside the cell like CAMP. These messengers amplify the signal and lead to changes in gene expression or metabolic activity.